one of the oral presentations that I really have the honor of being able to give this talk on behalf of my co-investigators is that of IMGN632. This is a novel CD123 targeting ADC or antibody-drug conjugate. This is a very exciting area. So in BPDCN, blastic, plasmacytoid, dendritic cell neoplasm, a rare leukemia, probably affecting 1,000 or less Americans per year. As you know, I've dedicated my own career to this subfield. We have led the first CD123 targeting agent in this area, tagraxofusp, to FDA approval, available for ages 2 and up for BPDCN. That drug is unique as it's linked to a diphtheria toxin payload. This new drug, IMGN632, has a different payload, an alkylating payload with a novel linker. So it's a different construct targeting CD123. In the lab and preclinical studies, it's shown activity, encouraging activity in both BPDCN and AML. And the clinical trial is thus where you have two arms. You have a BPDCN section, which I'm leading with my colleagues, and then an AML section, which is being led by my colleague, Dr. Naval Dover. In this multi-center study, in our section, focusing just on BPDCN, we really focused the first effort on relapsed refractory patients. So those patients who've had at least one prior therapy, a third or more of them having exposure to targeted agents such as the tagraxofusp. And we reported on those data showing not only safety, but early efficacy signal in those patients. Furthermore, the IMGN632, it has a convenient administration schedule in that it is IV, one dose every 21 days in patients with BPDCN, and these doses can in fact be given safely in the outpatient setting. And so it represents a second dedicated CD123 clinical trial approach, if you will, to patients with BPDCN following the tagraxofusp experience. And it gives yet another option for patients, not only in the relapse refractory setting, but the clinical trial also is expanding to include frontline patients as well with BPDCN. So it'll be very important to investigate this agent further.